The central bank said that it was estimated that the total long-term funds released from the reserve requirement ratio reduction is about 500 billion yuan, or over $70 billion. Experts said it will release sufficient liquidity into the market.
Various entities in the economy, such as small and medium-sized enterprises, would definitely benefit from such cut in ratio. At the same time, financial institutions will be in a better position to extend development assistance to the companies which require financial resources.
Factory activities of private companies shrank recently, largely due to COVID-19 flare-ups. A survey from the National Bureau of Statistics showed that companies of different sizes were impacted in November, as Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, tumbled from the previous month. There has been an increasing number of companies that saw a shortage of funds and insufficient market demand, while smaller businesses also face more acute operational pressure. The reserve requirement ratio cut is expected to help these companies solve their financial difficulties.
此次降准将会在一定程度上缓解民营企业融资难、融资贵的问题。
From the PMI data in November, you can tell that small and medium-sized enterprises face financing difficulties under conventional credit rules. Under the guidance policies, this comprehensive triple-R reduction and the policy based on development financial instruments will enable some funds to flow into some key industries supported by the government.
定向流入一些国家重点扶持行业。
The latest PMI figures have reflected the challenge in the real economy. However, with the cut in triple-R ratio, I think small and medium-sized companies would be in a better position to access various financial instruments to help them to operate their business and to overcome the difficulties presented in the real economy, in particular in the area of demand and supply side of the economy. With more policy coming out, it is more obvious that in the next few quarters, I think companies will be in a better position to access cheaper costs of capital, as well as will be in a more positive and supportive business environment.
Earlier last month, the State Council also proposed to increase support for private companies to issue bonds and apply more monetary policy tools to maintain reasonable and sufficient liquidity.